I don't see this is too far away when we might see in the world the white sugar factories will be shut down.
I want to talk about sugar because, of course, everything in moderation is absolutely fine. Ancient India has grown up with teaspoon of sugar in chai twice a day. We had no issues at all. But today, with the overindulgence of sugar, what is your take on sugar and your advice to people? White refined sugar.
I am totally against refined sugar. Because when I read this research that just 1 teaspoon of sugar can bring down your immune system by 50% for next 2.5, 3 hours, I said bye to it. Instead I would tell them take coconut sugar or jaggery, other honey. We might see in the world the white sugar factories will be shut down. Maybe they will. We need to move in that direction.
The connections, Gurudev, that we see with cancer, because we're constantly, the first thing, if anyone who has cancer comes to us, even before we've seen their reports, they may be in another part of the world, we say stop white sugar immediately, because that's the feeding mechanism of cancer cells. And we're trying to make those changes. The shutdown of the factories would be the best, but I think that's way off down the
otherwise,
future.
they can make jaggery powder. But the refined sugar is what we have to create this awareness. People are not aware of this.